Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Ka Adda by Sakshi Chauhan. Today I'm going to discuss some objective questions of chapter 3rd Metrics of class 12th, which is 1 mark questions. This video is beneficial for your school UTs and for board exams as well. Please must watch it till the end. So let's move. Question number 1 says that if a matrix has 6 elements, then the number of possible orders of the matrix can be. Options are 2, 4, 3 and 6. Okay, you have to given that the matrix has 6 elements and you have to find the possible orders. So what are the possible orders? So the possibilities are 1 into 6, that means 1 row 6 कॉलम्स हो सकते हैं. 2 into 3, 2 rows 3 कॉलम्स हो सकते हैं. 3 into 2, 3 rows 2 कॉलम्स हो सकते हैं. 6 into 1, 6 rows and 1 कॉलम हो सकते हैं. देखो 6 1 ज़ा 6, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 1 6 ज़ा 6. Okay, so we have 4 possibilities to have 6 element in a matrix. Okay, now move on to the second question. If capital A is equals to small aij is a 2 cross 3 matrix such that small aij is equals to minus I plus 2j whole square divided by 5, then you have to find small a23. Okay, here the capital A represent the matrix and small a represent the elements of that matrix. So you have to find A23. This 2 represent the number of row and this 3 represent the number of column. Okay, so here if we compare this to Aij, we get I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 3. So substitute I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 3 into this. We get A23 is equals to minus 2 plus 2 into 3 whole square divided by 5. So we get minus 2 plus 3 to the 6 whole square divided by 5. 6 minus 2 4, 4 4 is 16 by 5. That means option number D is the correct answer. Now move on to the question number 3rd. If A is equals to diagonal 3 comma minus 1, then the matrix A is what? देखो ये तो बहुत सिंपल आंसर है. Diagonal means option number C is the correct answer because the matrix is 3 0 0 minus 1 and these are the diagonals of the matrix. So option number 3rd is the correct answer. So move on to the question number 4. Total number of possible matrices of order 2 cross 3 with each entry 1 or 0 is, options are 6, 36, 32 and 64. Okay, so we have given that the order of the matrix will be 2 cross 3. So order is 2 cross 3. That means total elements will be 3 to the 6. Okay, and the each entry 1 or 0. That means each entry can be done in 2 ways. So total number of possible matrices, हमें matrices बतानी है ना कि कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज हो सकते हैं matrices के जिसका ऑर्डर क्या हो 2 क्रॉस 3. दैट मीन्स 2 वेज हैं 2 to the power 6 because 2 cross 3 is the order of the matrix. So the number of elements are 6. So 2 to the power 6, that is 64. So 64 numbers हो सकते हैं possible numbers जिसकी entries क्या क्या होंगी 1 और 0 हो सकती है. Okay, so option number D is the correct answer. Now move on to the question number 5. Question says that if A is a square matrix such that A square is equals to A, then I plus A whole square minus 3A is what? Options are I, 2A, 3I and A. Okay, now solve करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. So A is the square matrix, so A is equals to A square and you have to find this. So if we open this, I plus A whole square, this is I plus A square plus 2IA and minus 3A. We get A square, in place of A square we write it as A. So I plus A plus 2 I into A, that is A minus 3A. So A plus 2A minus 3A, this get cancel out and we get only I. This is the identity matrix. So option number A is the correct answer. Now move on to the question number 6. If matrices A and B are the inverse of each other, then what will be true? So option number B is the correct answer. देखो ऑप्शन नंबर ए और बी में कन्फ्यूजन हो सकती है. दो मैट्रिक्स हैं ए एंड बी, बोथ आर द इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. दैट मीन्स ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू बी ए करने पे हमें क्या मिलना चाहिए? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स मिलनी चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए में देखो क्या दिया हुआ है, खाली ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू बी ए, और सेकेंड ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू बी इज इक्वल्स टू आई. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Seventh question says that A is equals to 0, 2, 2, 0, 2 cross 2 order matrix and you have to find A square. So A square is A dot A. So 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. Multiply and you get the answer. First row, first column, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4. First row, second column, 0 and 0. Second row, first column, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Second row, second column, 2 2s are 4 and 0. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 8 says that the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all zeros. Second option says that are all equal to some scalar k which is not equal to 0, and option number C says that can be any number, and option number D can be says that none of these. Okay, so एक रिजल्ट होता है स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक के बारे में. स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं हम? ए ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ ए. ठीक है, तभी हम बता सकते हैं कि मैट्रिक्स क्या है, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. अगर हम एक मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज करें एंड विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ एंट्रीज किस फॉर्म में होती है? ए आई जे फॉर्म में होती है. ओके, अगर मैं ट्रांसपोज करूँ ए आई जे का इन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, वी गेट माइनस ऑफ ए जे आई. दैट मीन्स row converted into the column and column converted into the row. Here I represent the number of row and J represent the number of column. अगर हम ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस साइन jth एंट्री कन्वर्टेड इनटू द ith and ith कन्वर्टेड इनटू द jth एंट्री. ओके, सो ए आई जे इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ जे आई. अब यहाँ पे बात किसकी की जा रही है? द डायगनल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. तो डायगनल्स किस फॉर्म में होते हैं? A11, A22, A33. दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रो और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम क्या होते हैं? इक्वल, तभी वो डायगनल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. इफ़ वी सब्सटीट्यूट i इज इक्वल्स टू j, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे 1 1 आ रहा है, 2 2 आ रहा है. i की वैल्यू जब 2 है तो j की वैल्यू भी 2 है. i की वैल्यू 3 है तो j की वैल्यू भी 3 है. सो i इज इक्वल्स टू j. इफ़ वी सब्सटीट्यूट इनटू दिस वी गेट a i इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ a i. ओके, If we shift this minus aii to the left hand side, we get aii plus aii is equals to 0. So this is 2 times of aii, which is 0. That means aii is equals to 0. That means the diagonal elements of the skew symmetric matrix are 0. So the option number A is the correct answer. Question number 9 says that if A is equals to 5x, y, 0, this is 2 cross 2 order matrix, and A is equals to A dash, that means A is equals to A transpose, this is given to you, then which of the following options are correct? So A dash, that means A transpose find out कर लेते हैं. A transpose कैसे निकालते हैं? Rows are converted into the columns. So 5 and 6, this row 1 converted into the column 1. This is the row 1, this is the row 2. So this row 1 converted into the column 1, and this row 2 is converted into the column 2. Okay, so this is A transpose equals to A. That means 5x, y and 0. Compare this and we get, देखो 5 is equals to 5, y is equals to x, x is equals to y and 0 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to y. Option number B is the correct answer. Question number 10th is, if a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then matrix A is a scalar matrix or a diagonal matrix or a zero matrix of order n cross n, and option number D is a rectangular matrix. So this is given to you, A is equals to A dash, that means transpose, and A is equals to minus of A transpose, because this is symmetric matrix and this is skew symmetric matrix. So the property of symmetric matrix is A is equals to A transpose, and the property of skew symmetric matrix is A is equals to minus of A transpose. So A is equals to A transpose and A is equals to minus of A transpose. So the result number 1 and 2, we get A transpose is equals to minus of A transpose, because A is equals to this and A is equals to this. So ये दोनों भी equal हो जाएंगे. If we shift minus of A transpose to the left hand side, we get A transpose plus A transpose is equals to 0, and we get 2 times of A transpose is equals to 0. A transpose is equals to 0. So A is also 0, because A transpose is equals to A. So this is only possible when the matrix is ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स. ओके, जब मैट्रिक्स ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स होगी, ये केस तभी पॉसिबल है कि A इज़ इक्वल्स टू A ट्रांसपोज होगा और A इज़ इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ A ट्रांसपोज होगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर C इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. So if you guys enjoyed this session, then press the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep motivating.